Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Jan AI versus Ollama, two tools for running AI models locally to help you decide which one fits your needs best. So first up, we have Jan AI. Jan AI is a free open source desktop app designed for privacy and offline access. It has a simple modern interface that works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Jan lets you run multiple AI models locally without any technical setup, making it ideal if you want ease of use and simplicity. The catch, since it's newer, its ecosystem and advanced features are limited compared to some competitors. Now, let's talk about Ollama. Ollama is a command line based tool built for developers and power users. And it supports advanced configuration, API integrations, and custom model builds, giving you maximum flexibility. However, this also means it's less beginner friendly. You'll need some technical comfort to get the most out of it. Side by side, I want to say Gen AI, it's perfect for users who want a user friendly, GUI driven experience for running AI locally. Then for Ollama, it's ideal for developers or tinkerers who want full control, integration options, and custom setups. So for the verdict, you want to choose Gen AI if you value simplicity, privacy, and quick setup. And you want to choose Ollama if you want flexibility, power, and deep customization for local AI workflows. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.